Oh my gosh.
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
Hey food fam, welcome back to another video. The girl is hungry, of course. Today I'm trying viral TikTok food trends. I'm going to be rating them and giving you the real of the real. If you guys want to join the food fam, make sure you subscribe below and leave a comment. It's time to eat the first meal of the day. So I saw this ricotta cheese and toast business going around on TikTok, but I've never tried ricotta on toast before. I've never actually even tried ricotta cheese. It looks a lot like cottage cheese, and cottage cheese looks a bit like, it's a bit of a no for me. It just looks like expired milk, and no, it's just off-putting. But being the foodie that I am, I'm going to try this trend for you guys. This is how the girl did it online. She got some toast and then she put some ricotta cheese on top and some honey. The honey was really missing the plate, but whatever. We're actually going to put the honey on the toast and zhuzh it up. So let's begin. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add this toast onto here, but this is too big. So I'm just gonna break it up in half. Put it in there like so. Maybe I should use a bigger pan. Should I use a bigger pan? No, that's fine. And then we're just gonna drizzle it with some olive oil, like so that it gets nice and toasted. Disclaimer guys, please use a chopping board. I'm just going to cut some tomatoes and basically marinate it in some balsamic vinegar. And then we're gonna like blitz it up. Now let's actually begin assembling our breakfast toast. Oh, do you know, if you've never seen ricotta, this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks like cream cheese. So while the toast is hot, I'm just going to grab some garlic and rub it on there like so, just to give some extra flavors. You know what I'm saying, guys? Now we are going to put on the ricotta. Like so. It's looking all cute. Okay guys, now it's time to try it. I mean, it doesn't smell too bad, but let's give it a go. Let's try it again. Guys, this hits. I am not going to lie. This tastes really good. The ricotta doesn't even taste bad. It doesn't even taste like cheese. I can taste the garlic, I can taste the balsamic, the tomatoes, the chili flakes. I can taste a bit of the honey, but I didn't put too much anyway. This trend is a solid 4 out of 5 because it really hits. So now it's lunchtime and I am going to be trying the green goddess salad. This salad consists of cabbage, lettuce. It's very green and it's very vibrant, and it's a bit of me. Like, I eat salads for lunch and I really enjoy a good salad. Now this one I think kind of makes like a I don't know, it's like it's meant to be a dip because you eat it with chips. So let's begin making it. So I'm going to use some lettuce, cabbage and cucumber as the main substance of the salad. I don't know where I learned this from, but anything that has layers, we just never eat the first part. Now, this is what we have in our bowl. We've got some lettuce, some chives, cabbage, spring onions, and cucumber. This is gonna be the base of our salad. And now we're gonna make the sauce. For the rest, we're gonna add a bunch of spinach leaves, 2 clove garlic, lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 small shallot, and some nuts of your choice. I'm going to be using cashews. And hopefully it makes a really nice dressing. Okay, now it looks like this. It smells okay. It smells like pesto to me. And now what we're gonna do here is put it all over. If it wants to come out. Whoops. Whoa, look at it. Now let's see if this tastes good. Okay, so here's our green goddess dip, and we are going to try it with our nachos. I mean, guys, this took way too long to make. For me, lunch needs to be bish bash bosh. It needs to be quick for me to make because I'm working from home and I need to make something quick. But let's see if it's worth the time, the effort, and the hype. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, you guys know we don't rate things the first time we try it. We have to try it again. Honestly, guys, I'm a bit disappointed because I don't know. I like the taste of the basil because I really love basil, but that's basically all I can taste. Got a lot of vegetables in here, but it needs to be elevated. I don't know if it needs some, maybe a different type of salt. Do you know what? I've got some salt. Let me try this. You know, I was gifted some salt from Cornish salt. So let me try one of those and see if it ups it a bit. They actually gave me quite a few, but I'm thinking I'm going to try the lemon, thyme and sea salt one. And let's see if it elevates it, because right now it's not really doing it for me. It definitely needs more salt, I would say. So using this definitely up to a level for me. I'm gonna rate this like 2 out of 5, not because it doesn't taste good, but I feel like just all the effort is just not that needed for what it is. Next thing is kind of like a biscuit sandwich that's got chocolate and marshmallows inside. The Americans call it s'mores here in the UK. I don't know what we call them. We don't really eat things like that. I mean, we don't really have things like that. We don't go camping, making s'mores and stuff like that. So I am going to be making those. We don't have graham crackers. I don't even know what you guys call them, but we don't have those crackers here in the UK. So I'm going to be using digestives instead. I've got these cute little mini marshmallows, and my favorite chocolate at the moment is this Galaxy Salted Caramel. There was no Hershey's in store, so I got these instead. So let's just make them. It's very, very simple. And then I'm gonna pop these in the oven for maybe about like 5 minutes until they melt, and then we go try them.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, I burnt them. Guys, what is going on? It's burning my eyes. I need to do this again. This time, I'm going to put them in the oven for 2 minutes. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I'm not even trying to burn it this time. So your girl has already taken it out. It looks like this. What I'm gonna do is just smush it. I'm gonna smush it better so that I've got equal part chocolate and equal parts marshmallow. Wow, look at that. I'm even scared it's too hot, but let's try it. Okay. These are hitting. Too sweet, but these are nice. This is definitely like a good idea for a party, a sleepover, games night, anything. Good. I would rate this a solid 5 out of 5. I'm gonna save these for hubby because, like I said, guys, it's actually too sweet to eat. But that is it. This is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to watch Bridgerton. See you in my next video, guys. Mwah.